Good morning students, welcome all of you. I am Poonam Gidwani, your EVS teacher, and today we will continue our third chapter, games. In previous part we have discussed that Bhupesh suggested that we should play kabaddi, so let's make a team, and we have discussed how to make a team, how to name the team, and we have discussed the role of a captain. And in today's part we will discuss something more about kabaddi. So let's play kabaddi, students. Some children drew the lines of courts. Court is an area in which we play a game, and some games are played only in courts and kabaddi is one of them. So बच्चों ने क्या किया, कोर्ट बनाने के लिए लाइनें खींचना शुरू कर दिया. As you can see in this pictures, there are lines. Everyone stood up in his court. सारे के सारे अपने कोर्ट में, अपने एरिया में खड़े हो गए. Why? Because they have already made the team and now they are ready to play kabaddi. Captains asked players to get ready. Now the role of the captain is to help his team members and to tell them correct position. So now captain is asking other players, get ready, now let's play kabaddi. All started warming up. Students, do you know the meaning of warming up? Warming up means to prepare our body to do an activity or sports and to prevent injury. It raises our body temperature, it prevents injury, and it helps minimize the stress on our heart, and it prepares our muscles and joints. So all students started warming up. Some were jumping and some were moving hands back and forth. कोई जंप कर रहा था, कोई हाथ पैर इधर उधर फैला रहा था. Why were they doing so? Because all these are examples of warming up. Can you give me some more examples of warming up? Yes, yoga, cycling, jogging, squats, stretching, all these are examples of warming up. Both captains made some rules for the game. अब जो कैप्टन का रोल होता है टू हेल्प टीम मेंबर्स, सो इन द सेम वे इनका जो कैप्टन था, इन्होंने कुछ रूल्स बनाए. बिकॉज देर आर मैनी गेम्स जिसमें कुछ रूल्स होते हैं एंड ऑल द प्लेयर्स हैव टू फॉलो द रूल्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, whosoever go for kabaddi raid should have to touch the middle line. Students, do you know the meaning of kabaddi raid? Kabaddi raid, it's a phase of kabaddi game when a player enter opponent's court in order to fetch a point after crossing the middle line. That is called a kabaddi raid. So captains ने rule क्या बनाए? Whosoever go for kabaddi raid should have to touch the middle line. There are so many rules in kabaddi. As you can see in this picture, all children are playing kabaddi now. So beside this rule, other rules were also framed for कबड्डी, और सभी प्लेयर्स को वो रूल हैं वो फॉलो करने होते हैं. नाउ लेट्स डू सम एक्सरसाइज. What exercises do you perform before starting the game? Before starting the game हम कौन कौन सी एक्सरसाइज करते हैं? I have just told you. You can give me examples. Yes, try to tell me. And the examples are skipping, jogging, stretching, squats, yoga, cycling, etc. Students, these all are the examples of warming up. आप अपनी तरफ से भी कुछ examples लिख सकते हैं. So it was all about this part. In next part we will learn something more about kabaddi. We will play kabaddi in our next part. So let's meet in next part. Till then, thank you.